Shah Faisal Town is a place in Karachi. It is a very busy part of a big city. Many people live and work here. The town is full of life and energy. You can feel this energy in the streets. It is a place with a special kind of heart. It beats with the rhythm of the city. This town is a real part of Karachi's soul, always moving. This town sits in the eastern part of Karachi. It is connected to other important areas. This makes it easy for people to travel. Shah Faisal Town is not just a place to pass through, it is a destination in itself. It has its own stories to tell. It holds many secrets for those who look closely. It asks us to pause even in its rush. Shah Faisal Town might seem like just another urban sprawl, but it offers more than meets the eye. It is a place where city life is very strong. Yet, you can find quiet corners too, if you search. Let us begin to understand its simple complexities now. The land in Shah Faisal Town is mostly flat. This is common for many parts of Karachi. The town is built on this flat land. Houses and shops cover much of the area. Roads and streets crisscross the landscape here. It is a very urban geography. You see buildings everywhere you look. This urban spread defines its physical character clearly. The Malia River flows near Shah Faisal Town. This river is an important feature. It is not always full of water. Sometimes its bed is dry and wide. But when the rains come, the river changes. It can become a strong flow of water. The river has shaped the land around it over many years. It is a silent witness to the town's growth. The presence of the Malia River is significant. It brings a touch of nature to the urban setting. Even when dry, its wide bed speaks of water's power. It offers a different kind of open space. The Malia River is a quiet neighbor to Shah Faisal Town. Near Shah Faisal Town, there is a place called Thado Dam. This dam is a key natural attraction. It is not a giant structure, but it is important. It holds water, creating a small reservoir. This water body is a welcome sight. It stands out in the dry landscape. Thado Dam offers a peaceful escape for many city dwellers. Thado Dam is located in a more open area. It is away from the most crowded parts. Reaching it can be a small adventure. The dam itself is simple. Its purpose is to store rainwater. This water can be used for various needs. More than that, it has become a place for people. People come here to relax and enjoy nature's calm. The water attracts birds and other small wildlife. It supports some plant life around its edges. For visitors, it is a place to connect with nature. They can sit by the water. They can enjoy the quietness. It is a contrast to the busy city life. Thado Dam is a small jewel offering refreshment. The Flora in Shah Faisal Town is mostly urban, with a variety of trees and plants that have adapted to city life. You will see trees planted along roadsides, providing shade and a touch of green to the concrete jungle. Some parks and gardens have flowering plants, adding color and beauty to the urban landscape. People also grow plants in their homes, often in small gardens or pots on balconies and terraces. These green spots are important for the environment and for the well-being of the residents. They bring a bit of nature into the city, offering a respite from the hustle and bustle. Common trees like neem and conocopus are found throughout the area, known for their resilience and shade. They provide much-needed shade from the sun, making outdoor spaces more comfortable. The fauna is also what you expect in a city, with birds and small animals adapting to urban life. You will see common birds like crows and sparrows, which are well adapted to the urban environment. Pigeons are also very common here, often seen in flocks around the city. Near the Malia River or Thado Dam, you might see more diverse bird species. Water birds might visit when there is water, adding to the biodiversity of the area. Small insects and butterflies add to the life and vibrancy of the urban ecosystem. These creatures share the urban space with people, creating a unique coexistence. They are part of the town's ecosystem, contributing to its ecological balance. The climate in Shah Faisal Town is like the rest of Karachi, characterized by its warm and humid conditions. It is generally warm and humid, with temperatures often rising during the summer months. Summers can be very hot, making it essential for people to find ways to stay cool. The monsoon season brings rain, usually in July and August, providing much-needed relief from the heat. Winters are mild and pleasant, offering a break from the intense summer heat. This is often the best time to be outdoors, with many people taking advantage of the cooler weather. The weather shapes how people live their daily lives, influencing their routines and activities. It influences when they go out and what they do, making it a significant factor in their day-to-day life. Section 5. Echoes of the Past, from Dry Colony to Shah Faisal Town. Shah Faisal Town has a rich history. It was not always known by this name. In the past, it was called Dry Colony. This name comes from Dry Road. It was a smaller settlement back then. Many people who moved to Karachi after 1947 settled here. They came from different places. They started new lives in this growing area. The transformation from dry colony to Shah Faisal colony and then town is significant. The name changed to honor King Faisal of Saudi Arabia. This happened in the 1970s. It showed a connection and respect. This renaming marked a new chapter for the area. The town continued to grow and develop. More people came to live and work here, adding to its diversity. This history is still alive in the town. You can feel it in the older neighborhoods. Some buildings might tell stories of the past. The memories of early settlers are part of the town's spirit. This history has shaped the community. It has influenced how people live together. Section 6. A vibrant community culture, festivals and flavors. The community in Shah Faisal Town is very diverse, with people from various ethnicities and cultures living side by side. People from many backgrounds live here together, creating a unique blend of traditions and customs. This creates a rich cultural tapestry that is evident in everyday life. There is a strong sense of community spirit where neighbors often come together to support one another. Neighbors often know each other well, fostering a sense of belonging and mutual respect. They help each other in times of need, whether it's a small favor or significant assistance. This togetherness is a vital part of life here, making the community resilient and close-knit. It makes the town feel like a large family where everyone looks out for each other. Local festivals are celebrated with enthusiasm and joy, bringing vibrancy to the town. Religious festivals like Eid are very important, marking significant moments in the community's calendar. People decorate their homes and streets with lights and ornaments, adding to the festive atmosphere. They share food and visit friends and family, strengthening bonds and creating lasting memories. National holidays are also observed with great respect and participation from the community. These celebrations bring people together, fostering unity and collective joy. They are a time for joy and reflection, allowing people to connect with their heritage and each other. The streets come alive with color and sound during these times, creating a festive and lively environment. The markets in Shah Faisal Town are lively places, bustling with activity and energy. You can find almost anything you need, from fresh produce to handmade crafts. There are small shops and larger bazaars, each offering a unique shopping experience. The air is filled with the sounds of bargaining, adding to the vibrant atmosphere. The colors of fruits, vegetables and clothes are bright and inviting, making the market a visual delight. These markets are the heart of daily life, where commerce and community intersect. They are not just for shopping, they are social hubs where people gather and interact. They are places where people meet and connect, sharing stories and building relationships. The local cuisine offers many delicious flavors, reflecting the diverse cultural influences in the town. You can find traditional Pakistani food, from savory street snacks to hearty home-cooked meals. Section 7. Your journey to Shah Faisal Town practical tips. Traveling to Shah Faisal Town is quite straightforward. The town is well marked and easy to navigate. It is well connected by roads within Karachi, making it accessible from various parts of the city. You can use public transport like buses, which are frequent and cover most areas. Minibuses also run through the area frequently, providing another convenient option. Taxis and ride-sharing services are available too, offering flexibility and comfort. If you are driving, maps and GPS can guide you easily through the town's streets. The town is near the Jinnah International Airport, making it convenient for air travelers. This makes it accessible for those arriving by air, with taxis readily available at the airport. The best time to visit Shah Faisal Town is usually during the cooler months, when the weather is more pleasant. This is from November to February, when temperatures are mild and comfortable. The weather is mild and pleasant then, perfect for outdoor activities and exploring. It is comfortable for walking around, allowing you to fully experience the local culture. You can explore the markets and outdoor areas, which are vibrant and full of life. Summers can be very hot and humid, making it less ideal for outdoor activities. The monsoon season might bring heavy rains, which can disrupt travel plans. So plan your visit for the winter, if possible, to avoid the extreme weather conditions. This will make your experience more enjoyable and comfortable. When visiting, it is good to dress modestly, respecting the local customs and traditions. This shows respect for the local culture and helps you blend in better. Light, comfortable clothing is suitable for the climate, especially during the warmer months. Always ask for permission before taking photos of people, as a sign of respect. It is polite to do so, and it helps in building a good rapport with the locals. Be aware of your surroundings, especially in crowded markets. Keep your belongings safe and secure. Locals are generally friendly and helpful, making your visit more pleasant. Do not hesitate to ask for directions, as people are usually willing to assist. Engage with the local culture respectfully, and you will have a richer, more rewarding experience. Section 8. Conclusion. An urban oasis to discover. Shah Faisal Town is a fascinating place. It is a blend of busy city life. It also has quiet touches of nature. The energetic streets show its urban heart. The Malia River and Thado Dam offer peaceful escapes. This unique mix makes the town special. It is not just another part of Karachi. It has its own distinct character. It tells its own story. The town's history is rich and deep. It has grown from a small colony. It has become a vibrant hub of activity. The spirit of its community is strong. People from diverse backgrounds live together here. They celebrate their culture and traditions. This creates a lively and welcoming atmosphere. This energy is a core part of its identity. It is a place of human connection. Visiting Shah Faisal Town is an experience. It allows you to see a different side of Karachi. It is a place of simple discoveries. You can find beauty in its everyday life. You can find stillness near its waters.